Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best stretch bracelet string is probably one of the most versatile and convenient jewelry making supplies you can find. Its elasticity allows for easy wear and removal, making it perfect for various styles and occasions, from delicate charm bracelets to bold statement pieces, and its wide availability in colors and materials ensures a perfect match for any project or personal style. In this video, we will explore the top picks for stretch bracelet strings, considering factors like durability, elasticity, and overall quality to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. BEADNOVA 1mm Elastic Cord. This is BEADNOVA's 1mm elastic cord, perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's strong, stretchy, and available in a clear white color. Made from high-quality elastic thread and spandex yarns, it ensures durability and a professional finish to your creations. With a thickness of 1mm and a length of 60 meters per roll, it provides ample length for various projects. You get one roll in this package. It's ideal for making bracelets and necklaces. The elasticity makes it easy to work with and comfortable to wear. Use it with gemstone beads, glass beads, or seed beads for a wide variety of designs. It's strong and easy to use, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. The clear white color is versatile and complements a wide range of beads and jewelry styles. It's subtle and elegant. What we like? It boasts a practical length and classic color, perfect for various beading projects. If you need a reliable, thin, and long string for your jewelry making, this is a great choice. Its simple design makes it suitable for any bead type and style. What people say? It's also super easy to tuck the knots into beads. It doesn't break like the stretchy crystal fishing line stuff does when you try to tighten the knot. I have been on a never-ending search for the perfect crystal bead string cord and I have finally found it. This crystal string is beautiful, the stretch is amazing and it's thin enough to use in 3mm beads. Thick cage, plenty of elasticity and cost-effective for the amount of line that you get. It is exactly what I needed and it performs very well. Number 4. Tenn Well Elastic String. It's perfect for jewelry making, bracelets, necklaces, and more. Unleash your creativity with this versatile string. This gradient-colored string adds a unique touch to your creations. Make your jewelry stand out from the crowd. With 328 feet of string, you'll have plenty to work with on all your projects. That's a lot of bracelets. Made with high-quality fabric and elastic, it's durable, flexible, and easy to use. You'll love how easy it is to work with. The convenient coil packaging keeps it organized and tangle-free. Get crafting right away. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, or other crafts, this elastic string is your perfect companion. Get creative. What we like? Its vibrant gradient color adds a unique touch to your creations. If you are looking for an extra long string with a fun, colorful design to make your jewelry stand out, this is the one for you. The length is perfect for large-scale projects or multiple smaller ones. What people say? Colors are vibrant and stretches as you'd expect. This elastic is very colorful, easy to apply beads to, and the texture keeps the knots from sliding off. It's also enough to last for a very long time. The color, quality, and stretch is perfect. Number 3. Paxcoo 1mm Elastic Bracelet String. It comes with a roll of 100 meters, perfect for various crafting projects. You'll have plenty to create bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's approximately 1mm wide and 0.7mm thick. This makes it easy to work with and tie secure knots. Made of elastic polyester spandex, it's sturdy, beautiful, and ideal for beading projects. The stretchy nature makes it perfect for bracelets. It's great for bracelets, necklaces, and bead weaving. Use it with seed beads, gemstones, glass beads. The possibilities are endless. Its crystal clear look enhances your creations. The knots are small and easy to hide, ensuring a professional finish. With its length and versatility, it's perfect for all your jewelry making needs. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This offers great value with its impressive length and classic color. If you're looking for a long-lasting, flat, and easy-to-use string for your jewelry making, this is a great option. The flat design makes it easy to work with and the length ensures you have plenty for multiple projects. What people say. This strong is so nice, it is so stretchy and comfortable on your wrist. We have purchased many different stretch cord for my kids' bracelet making adventures. This is by far the best brand we have used and will only be purchasing this brand in the future. This string is perfect for making bracelets. Easy to knot, doesn't lose its elasticity with wear. I have purchased this a couple of times. Number 2. Paxcoo 0.8mm elastic string. It comes with a 120-meter roll, perfect for various crafting projects. That's plenty of length for all your bracelets, necklaces, and more. With a diameter of 0.8 millimeters, it's strong and stretchy. You can trust it to hold your beads securely. This elastic cord is made of a crystal clear plastic rubber. It's both durable and beautiful. It's ideal for bracelets, necklaces, and bead weaving. Use it with seed beads, gemstones, or glass beads. It's easy to work with and perfect for various jewelry making projects. Let your creativity shine. If you have any questions or issues, simply contact us through your Amazon account. We're here to help. What we like. It's extra long and durable, perfect for intricate designs. If you need a strong and long-lasting string for your jewelry making, this is the perfect choice. Its crystal look adds a touch of elegance to your creations. What people say. Perfect thickness for strength while not being bulky. Functions perfectly for general projects. Color is crystal clear. This string doesn't fray like other stretchy beading strings. Crystal string tends to fray way less than the other, stretchy, strings out there. It holds its knots well, is stretchy enough and strong enough. It does get slightly stretched out if it is stretched too far or overused, but still overall very good. Number 1. Cridoz 0.5mm elastic string kit. This kit is perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It includes everything you need to get started, including elastic string and beading needles. It's made of clear, elastic rubber that's both transparent and stretchy. Its 0.5mm diameter is thin yet strong, ideal for small beads. These durable, flexible steel needles have large eyes, making threading a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating threading problems. It's great for seed beads, pony beads, friendship bracelets, candy necklaces, and more. Unleash your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this kit has everything you need to create beautiful, unique jewelry. Start making today. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including beading needles. If you're a beginner or prefer a convenient all-in-one solution for your jewelry making, this is the ideal kit for you. The thin string is perfect for small beads and the needles make threading easy. What people say. The needles included with the elastic string were very helpful and so easy to use, very efficient. This stretchy string is perfect for making bracelets. It's strong and elastic, which makes it ideal for threading seed beads, pony beads, and more. The 2 beading needles included are a great bonus and really help with the stringing process. The clear cord is discreet and doesn't take away from the design. Lots of stretch and very durable. I can tie a knot with it and it says, doesn't budge even when pulled firmly. My triple tie knots with this are still small enough to fit inside a bead. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.